Are you looking for the best garden shovels? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best garden shovels that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Fiskars 96685935J LNG Hndl Garden Shovel. The Fiskars 96685935J LNG Hndl Digging Shovel is the ideal tool for digging on soft and tough soil. The sharp-bladed shovel ensures an easier and more convenient digging experience. The blade is made with a smooth welded steel construction for extra durability, and the conveniently elongated 18-gauge steel shaft is sturdy enough for even the toughest gardening jobs out there. So don't expect it to bend under pressure. Measuring 57.7 inches long, the well-built shaft allows users the convenience of digging without straining the back. Digging involves a good measure of hand and foot work to get the job done. The blade also provides enough foot space to powerfully bear it into the ground. A perfectly shaped teardrop shaft completes the phenomenal design. This enables the shovel's sharp and narrowed edge to sink deep into practically any type of soil, while the orange rubber handle provides a good and firm grip that is most definitely comfortable on the palms. Overall, this shovel is great for heavy digging tasks around your garden. This also makes a perfect gift for gardeners in your life. Up next in the 4th place is the Radius Garden 22011 Root Slayer Garden Shovel. The Radius Garden 22011 Root Slayer Shovel won the DGA 2017 Green Thumb Award for the most innovative garden tool, and it is no surprise at all. With a new and inventive utilitarian design, this multitasking tool does a lot of hard work. Owning the Root Slayer shovel is like harnessing the powers of a saw, pry bar, and hatchet into one amazing cutting and clearing tool. Get more out of your digging experience with the sharpened and textured V-shaped blade. It passes through sod quite easily and rips out stubborn roots you may hit while digging. Additionally, the well-thought-out design allows users to place their foot flat on the edge of the shaft and bear down. At first, the O handle may come off as straight. However, it provides 4 times more gripping surface than a D handle would. The natural radius offers an ergonomic grip, with more control of the tool being very easy on the hands. The 3rd product on our list is the Fiskars 46-inch steel D handle square garden shovel. Flat-edged shovels are great for scraping, clearing out ice, as well as weeding and edging gardens and lawns. The Fiskars 46-inch steel D handle square garden spade is one of such tools. While this shovel is best for the task mentioned above, they will perform flawless digging and cutting tasks. Fiskars is known for making top-quality, durable, and functional tools to aid with expert and convenient gardening. The blade is made from 14-gauge tough and sturdy steel construction to ensure it stands strong every time it hits the soil. With a sharpened and flat edge, manual labor has never been made easier. The 18-gauge steel shaft ensures this tool will not bend or break under pressure regardless of the length. The design includes a supersized D handle for extra leverage and control. It also offers the option of using 2 hands to enhance control while digging or cutting, even if you have garden gloves on. The generously open D handle will still accommodate both hands. Second on our list is the Bully Tools 82515 14-gauge round point long handle shovel. This next shovel surely causes some tension around its peers, with its high quality and functional construction and design. Made in USA with a viable 14-gauge steel, the Bully Tools 82515 14-gauge round point shovel features a fiberglass handle as opposed to a plastic one. Fiberglass is known to bend sometimes, discouraging some manufacturers from using this material. However, this smart design includes a triple-layered construction to increase form and durability. These layers are made of a strong wood core, thick fiberglass, and a comprehensive steel ferrule to ensure it does not bend. The shaft itself measures 57.25 inches in length, ensuring users the convenience of gardening without straining the arms and back. The blade has a closed back design with 2 supporting ribs. This prevents dirt buildup on the blade. There is a one-piece ferrule between the handle and the shaft, ensuring a strong and viable connection. The shaft will not break free or pull out from the handle during tough gardening, and the added I-beam support provides extra durability and a forward step formation to give more control. Love this product? Check out our review of the best electric weed whackers for our top picks. Finally, the top product on our list is the Seymour's 748-inch long fiberglass Hndl super shovel. Depending on the type of environment you live in, not just any shovel is up to the task. The Seymour's 748-inch long fiberglass Hndl notched super shovel is perfect for rocky and compact clay soil. It may not break up the rocks, nevertheless, it is able to penetrate gravel and hardened clay soil. The S710 is made to tackle difficult terrains. It is great for new gardens where a lot of work needs to be done. For a heavy-duty shovel, it is quite light on the hands. You could dig through both moist and dry soil without your shoulders feeling the burn. Its sharp, pointed teeth are able to go through tough roots like a knife on butter. The reinforced yet soft handle is made with fiberglass to ensure no splinters are gotten after digging. A steel ferrule firmly holds the piece together at the handle, ensuring it does not pull out from the connection. Find more great products like this by checking out our guide to the best weeding tools. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.